I'm busy. All right, guys, so the first thing we gotta do is make sure we cover our hair with heat protectant. This is the most important part. It's like primer before you paint your walls, primer before you do your makeup. You have to make sure you put on heat protectant. So my favorite heat protectant is this Silk Elements Strength and Silk Coconut one. I freaking love this product. It's locked. And that's what I love about this. You can lock it. So I take it everywhere every time I do my client's hair. So look, you put the cream here. And it's just like a cream based. But anyways, we're gonna apply it on your hair. I like, since my hair's so thin and I don't have so much, I just do like 2 little glops like this. Now this is the first type of product I apply just so my hair can be okay. And then I like to run it through with a comb. All right, so I like to run my hair through with a comb after you put the heat protectant, just so I feel like, you know, I'm dispersing the product through every strand I possibly can. And you can see my hair's like a little greasy, but that's okay. I'm gonna tell you guys how to fix that. Now, because my hair is so oily and you don't want your hair to look too oily, I'm going to apply my favorite brand of dry shampoo, which is the Dove. And I got the Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo one. It really refreshes your hair, revives it, doesn't make it look so greasy. So what I like to do is extend my hair with my fingers like this so I can get a good distance and apply it everywhere I can. So I can do my hair and it won't look like it actually is 4 days old. What I like about dry shampoo is that it adds texture to your hair. So if you have really fine hair, when it gets oily, it looks like it's wet, like mine. This is perfect to add to your hair because it gives it texture, it makes it really dry, and it actually gives it volume too. So the more volume for my hair, the better. We are going to go ahead and do one more comb, because again, doing that knot up your hair, you see that volume right now? If my hair were oily, it'd be like super flat. So that gives you that oomph, and then it kind of molds it. So look, if I do like this, it stays like this. All right, next things next, but first things first, maybe that sounds better. We are going to split our hair into pieces, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the bottom and I'm gonna curl my hair. And the way I'm gonna curl my hair is I'm gonna take about a finger's length of my hair, because that is about the size I want my wave to be. I'll go ahead and do each piece just like that. And we're gonna curl downward. And by downward, you push up with your curling iron and you're twisting. Watch the wrist motion. Twisting, watch the wrist motion. All right, and then we're gonna hold for about 10 seconds. All right, that's about 10 seconds. You don't let your hair unravel. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of let the hair loose like that. See how it kind of got loose? And then you want to catch it. All right, catching it is important because your hair, when it's under heat or when your hair is heated, or you get my point, you want to try to keep it curled so it can trap the heat and keep the curl as long as possible. This is the secret to holding your hair anytime you curl it, whether it's waves, curls. All right, here's my other one. We're gonna comb. And we're gonna do the same thing. You can't wrap the hair flat on the wand. Does that make sense? So we're twirling it as we're wrapping it because that's what makes the wave. That is how you wrap a wave around the wand. So we're gonna do the same thing to this side, but this side, remember, has to go down. So don't bring the wand from this way. We're gonna bring the wand this way. Beautiful. Let's keep it moving. Now this piece. So, all right, let me explain to you hairspray. The hairspray that I use to prep my hair for a style is not freeze hairspray. Some hairsprays are gonna say like this one. It says freezing hairspray. No, we don't use that to prep our hair, okay? What we use, I like to do like extra hold. This is the Sebastian brand. See that? And I like to do the right here. Extra hold. Extra hold, all right? So I use something that says extra hold because if you do the freeze, it's gonna give you that hard effect before you even style your hair. You don't want to freeze your hair yet because you're not on your final step. So, and always spray from at least 12 inches away from your hair. I know it sounds like corny instructions that every hairspray says, but it's true. You don't spray too close because you don't want to get that hard crinkly effect yet. We're gonna go downward, so push up, flick, twirl, twirl, twirl.
Downward, so push up, flick, twirl, twirl.
The way you see what pushing up does, it gives you that volume right there. All right, so I'll twirl. This is about 2 pieces in one, so I'm gonna split them. I always like to do the farthest from my head just to get it over with. No? Okay, all right. And we're gonna part the hair where we want it to go. For me, I like my hair to fall this way. So that's where I'm gonna part my hair. So I'm gonna start from here. And maybe more to the side. So I'm gonna go like this. Okay. Just try to do it till you feel good about it. I like that right there. All right, so I'm gonna leave it right there. And I'm gonna tell this section to wait for a second so we can do one side. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and curl this side, and we know the steps, so we're gonna go ahead and comb it out. Where's my bestie comb? Brush it upward, because remember we want that volume. We're gonna spray this. But not in your eye. We're going to lift this up right here. Ready? And then we're gonna twirl and twirl and twirl. All right, so this is the part where you want to tease, all right? See how I kind of parted it diagonal? And it already has some hairspray from when we sprayed, and then I use like a little teasing comb and give my hair, see that little, you kind of hold like this and brush downward. Well, that's what's gonna give us volume, and then we want to curl it. Remember, give it that lift like this. Push away from your face with the curling iron or the wand, and then hold it and push upward as you're doing this. Okay, so I had to switch irons. This is the NUME, and this is the one I like to use when doing waves. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna push up, twirl around. And then we're finally gonna do the last piece, okay? So this one you can add a tad bit more hairspray, just because we're gonna have to do the tease for sure on this one, but we're gonna do it from the bottom. concentrate most on, because this is the piece that's gonna be on top of all of them. Now, if you have those flyaways, don't worry too much about them. Just gradually. All right. So you see how these two are forward and these are forward? You gotta make sure this is your prime area where it's gonna show, okay? So we're gonna let them cool off, and then we're gonna take them off, and then we're gonna style them. I'm gonna brush them out, and then I'm gonna mold them into the waves that you're gonna see, okay? And then you're gonna spray them into place as you're brushing them and molding them. So be right back. So this is how my hair looks freshly unpinned. So you can kind of already see the hairstyle coming into place, but I'm going to brush these out and I'm going to freeze it with my favorite hairspray ever, guys. This is my go-to. I love this. I love this hairspray because it holds your hair so well and it gives you such a nice shine. It literally freezes the hair in place like you want it to. This is Big Sexy Hairspray. So this one is the spray and stay. They all say different things, but this, if you want the hairspray to freeze your hairstyle, you have to make sure it says spray and stay, all right? Because this is the one that gives you that hold. You don't want to do this while you style and then brush it out, because it's just going to give you that flaky effect to your hair, and it's just going to be annoying to brush it out. But this is what I use to hold in place my wave. Right. So we're going to take this wide tooth comb, and we're going to start from the back and gently just brush through, okay? Or comb through. I'm gonna pin this section right over here so it can hold into place, and then let the hair kind of style over the pin. Remember, before the hairspray dries, you want to go ahead and start styling. Leave these two in the front first. We're gonna let that dry. Give it about 10 seconds so it can stay into place like this. All right, so now we're gonna take out the pins. I love it. Sometimes I like to tuck this in so it's not so. There you go. So look at the shine, guys. At this, I feel like this is my 3 things that I must have in order to get a good hairstyle. This is how I get my Hollywood waves. All right, guys? It's been a long journey to record this video, but I'm gonna try to put it together as best as I can because I've had to stop, as you can hear, like 20 billion times. So subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of other looks. Maybe I'll do another Valentine's Day look. Oh, but let me know any ideas you guys want to see and I'll record it for you guys. I'll link the products I use below. I absolutely love them. This is what gives me the shine. Hit that subscribe button and I'll do more looks for you guys.